Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about IR spectroscopy. So let us start with one example. You look at here and here. What is the difference? After using this reagent, your double bond converted into single bond and there is a OH. So if you are synthesis this type of compound, how you know your compound formed or not? So you can solve this type of problem with the help of IR spectroscopy. How do we know if it worked? The reaction is cyclohexene, the product is cyclohexanol. How can we tell the difference with the help of IR spectroscopy? So I already uploaded many videos on IR. Again, I am talking about some basic electromagnetic radiations. What is electromagnetic radiation? Light and other forms of radiant energy. Wavelength, the distance between consecutive peak on a wave. Frequency, the number of full cycle a wave that pass a given point in a second. Hertz, in the unit which radiation's frequency is reported. S inverse, read per second. Common unit used to express wavelength. This is the wavelength. C is equal to lambda nu. E is equal to lambda nu. E is in kilojoule per mole. H is Planck constant, kilojoule per second per mole. Nu frequency in hertz. So this is the energy level E1, E2, absorption of radiations, and then E is equal to h nu. So infrared spectroscopy, the vibrational IR extend from these regions. The frequency of IR radiation is commonly expressed in wave number. Wave number nu bar, the number of wave per centimeter with units per centimeter. Read reciprocal centimeter. Reciprocal centimeter. Expression wave number, the vibrational IR extends from 4000 reciprocal centimeter to 400 reciprocal centimeter. This is IR spectra. X-axis is wave number. This is most common scale per centimeter, or read at a reciprocal centimeter, and this is transmittance. This is the spectrum of 3-methyl-2-butanol. So this peak is a strong peak, you look at here. So, and that one is the medium, and this one is weak. So molecular vibrations. Atom joined by covalent bond undergo continuous vibration related to each other. The energy associated with these vibrations are quantized. Within a molecules, only a specific vibration energy levels are allowed. The energies associated with the transitions between vibrational energy levels correspond to frequencies in the infrared region, 4000 to 400 centimeter inverse, reciprocal centimeter. For a molecules to absorb IR radiation, the bond undergo vibration must be polar, and its vibration must cause a periodic change in the bond dipole moment. Covalent bonds which do not meet these criteria are said to be IR inactive. The CC bond, triple bond of the symmetrically substituted alkenes and alkyne, for example, IR inactive because they are not polarized bond. Look at here. So molecular vibration. Consider two covalent bond atoms as two vibrating masses connected by a spring. The total energy is proportional to the frequency of vibration. The frequency of stretching vibration is given by equation derived from Hooke's law for the vibrating spring. Nu bar is equal to 4.1 K by mu. K is force constant, which is measure of the bond strength. Force constant for single, double and triple bond, approximately 5, 10 and 15 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 5 dyne per centimeter. And mu is reduced mass of the two atoms, m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2, where m is the mass of atoms in gram. So simple vibration molecule are bending and stretching. There are fundamental stretching and bending vibration for methylene groups, one symmetrical stretching and one asymmetrical stretching, and 4 bending, scissoring, rocking, wagging, and twisting. Symmetric, asymmetric, scissoring, rotations, wagging, twisting. So molecular vibration nu bar 4.14 K by mu. So from this equation we see the positions. Number of stretching vibration is proportional to strength of vibrating bond and is inversely proportional the masses of the atom connected by the bond. So the intensity, that is weak, small, medium of absorption depend upon strong, medium. Absorption depends upon the primary on the polarity of the vibrating bond. This is the correlation table. If we have OH, then this is the range: weak to strong, NH medium, CH weak to medium, carbon-carbon double weak to medium, CO single bond oxygen and double bond oxygen both are strong. These are also OH medium, CH3 weak to medium, CC and CH double bond weak to medium, and this CH is strong. So how to interpret IR spectra? So inspect the spectrum from left to right. If there is a strong but broad band 3500 reciprocal centimeter, then OH is present. 1 or 2 weak peak in this area are indicative of amine NH stage. Examine 3000 reciprocal centimeter CH aliphatic stage are the right and CH from alkene and aromatic are to the left. Aldehyde CH stage will be 2720 reciprocal centimeter. Check the area from 18 to 20 to 630 reciprocal centimeter. A strong peak in this area indicates CO, and this is often the strongest peak in the spectra. The area from 1250 to 1000 centimeter reciprocal centimeter are the CO stage of ether, ester, and acid. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it. Thanks for watching.